The power of imagination is one of the most profound tools at our disposal. By simply engaging our emotions and thoughts in a focused way, we can bring our dreams to life. Today, we'll explore how you can harness your imagination and feelings to manifest the reality you desire. Let's explore. Your feelings play a critical role in shaping your reality. It's not just about what you think but how deeply you feel those thoughts that determines the outcome. When you attach emotion to a desire, it becomes more than just a fleeting wish, it becomes something tangible. This emotional attachment is the key to manifesting your desires. When you feel something with conviction, your mind believes it's already happening. Your subconscious can't distinguish between reality and imagination, so the emotions you generate from your visualizations can become your new reality. This is why feeling is the secret. It's the key to unlocking the life you want. To get started, you need to clearly define what you want. Visualizing with emotion requires focus. Whether it's more success in your career, better relationships, or personal growth, start by identifying your goal. Be specific and know exactly what you want to feel once that desire is fulfilled. Once you have that clear picture in your mind, the next step is to feel the emotions associated with having already achieved it. Close your eyes and imagine yourself in that desired state. What emotions arise? Is it happiness, peace, satisfaction, or excitement? Allow yourself to fully feel these emotions as if your desire has already come true. It's important to practice this regularly. Just like exercising a muscle, the more you engage in this kind of emotional visualization, the stronger your manifesting power becomes. Consistency is key. Spend a few minutes each day visualizing your desired outcome and feeling the emotions tied to it. Visualization alone isn't enough without emotion. Imagine yourself achieving a goal but feel nothing. This creates a disconnect. The real magic happens when your feelings and visualizations are aligned. When you genuinely feel the happiness, gratitude, or excitement of achieving your desires, you're sending a clear signal to the universe. Imagination is more powerful than logic. While logical thinking might limit what seems possible, your imagination has no boundaries. By connecting your imagination with strong, positive feelings, you can push beyond any limitations you've set for yourself and create a new reality. One of the best times to practice this is before sleep. When you're in a relaxed state, your mind is more receptive to suggestions, and your visualizations can sink deeper into your subconscious. Imagine your desires and let the emotions flood your mind just before drifting off to sleep. It's also helpful to use affirmations alongside your visualization. As you imagine and feel the emotions of having achieved your goals, say affirmations like, "I am grateful for my success," or "I am living my dream life." These reinforce your feelings and strengthen your manifesting abilities. Another critical element is belief. You must believe that your desires are possible and within reach. Doubt weakens the process. To overcome any lingering doubts, focus on the feeling of having already achieved your goal, and allow that belief to grow stronger every day. Gratitude plays a huge role in manifesting. When you visualize and feel the emotions of having what you desire, also feel gratitude for it. Gratitude amplifies your feelings and helps you attract more of what you want into your life. Even before you see the results, be grateful for the changes that are on their way. By tapping into your emotions and visualizing with purpose, you're not just daydreaming. You're setting the wheels in motion to create the life you want. Your emotions act as a magnet, pulling your desires toward you. Feeling truly is the secret to manifesting your dreams. Visualization is more than just thinking about what you want. It's about creating a vivid, sensory-rich mental picture of your desire. The clearer and more detailed your visualization, the more real it feels, and the stronger the emotional response. This is why clarity is key. Start by finding a quiet place where you won't be disturbed. Close your eyes and bring your goal to mind. Don't just see it, experience it. Imagine the sights, sounds, smells, and emotions that come with achieving your desire. Make it as real as possible in your mind. The more senses you engage, the more powerful the visualization becomes. For example, if you're visualizing success in your career, imagine yourself sitting in your dream office, hearing the congratulatory words from your boss, and feeling the joy of your accomplishment. This sensory immersion deepens the emotional connection. Visualization doesn't need to take long. Even just a few minutes each day of focused, intentional visualization can create powerful shifts in your life. What matters most is the intensity of your emotions and how consistently you practice. With time, your mind becomes trained to expect the outcome you've been visualizing, and the universe begins to align things to match your mental picture. Visualization isn't magic, it's a tool for aligning your thoughts and emotions with your desires to bring them into reality. Your imagination is one of the most powerful tools you have for creating change in your life. It allows you to go beyond your current circumstances and see new possibilities. But to harness this power, you must use it deliberately. By combining your imagination with focused intention, you can turn your dreams into reality. When you imagine something, your mind begins to align with the reality of that experience. This is why daydreaming can sometimes feel so real. But to manifest your desires, you need to use your imagination purposefully. Visualize what you want with clarity and immerse yourself fully in the feeling of having it. The key is to use your imagination as if your desires have already been fulfilled. Don't imagine something in the future, imagine it as your present reality. Feel the emotions as if it's happening right now. This signals to your subconscious mind that this is your new reality, and it begins to align with that truth. To practice this, spend a few minutes each day imagining your ideal life. Feel the emotions and sensations associated with your desires. The more you practice, the more natural it will feel. And as it feels more natural, your subconscious mind starts to believe it and works to make it your reality. Your imagination is limitless. Don't be afraid to dream big. Whatever you can imagine and feel, you can create. The more vividly and emotionally you imagine your desires, the more you draw them into your life. Faith is essential when it comes to manifesting. You need to trust that what you're visualizing will come to pass, even if you don't see immediate results. Doubt can disrupt the manifesting process, so it's important to focus on maintaining belief and faith in your vision. The more you visualize and feel your desires, the easier it becomes to have faith in the process. You start to notice small changes, and these reinforce your belief. Over time, your confidence grows, and this faith strengthens your manifesting power. If doubt ever creeps in, remind yourself that your feelings and imagination are shaping your reality. Stay committed to the practice, and have faith that the changes you want are on their way. Patience is crucial in the manifestation process. Sometimes, we want instant results, but it's important to understand that big changes take time. Trust the process, and don't get discouraged if you don't see results immediately. The universe works in its own time. By continuing to visualize and feel your desires with faith, you're setting the stage for things to unfold at the right moment. Stay patient and recall that good things are worth the wait. Patience also helps you remain positive and focused, rather than becoming frustrated or doubtful. Trust that everything is unfolding exactly as it should. A key part of manifesting is learning to let go of the need for control. Once you've visualized and felt your desires, it's important to release your attachment to the outcome. Trust that what you've asked for is on its way and don't obsess over when or how it will happen. By letting go, you allow the universe to work in its own way, bringing your desires to you in ways you may not expect. Holding on too tightly to the outcome can create resistance, but letting go opens the door for greater possibilities. Your job is to focus on the feeling and trust that the universe will handle the details. Release your need to control every step and enjoy the journey. Gratitude is one of the most powerful emotions for manifesting. When you feel grateful, you align yourself with abundance and attract more of it into your life. By practicing gratitude daily, you enhance your ability to manifest your desires. Take a moment each day to express gratitude for what you already have, as well as what's coming your way. Gratitude helps you stay in a positive, receptive state, making it easier for your desires to manifest. The more grateful you are, the more you attract. It's a simple yet effective way to amplify your manifesting power and create lasting change in your life. Consistency is key when it comes to visualization and manifesting. Just as you wouldn't expect to see physical changes after going to the gym once, you can't expect to see immediate results after visualizing once or twice. Keep at it. Set aside time each day for visualization and feeling your desires. The more consistent you are, the more ingrained these practices will become, and the faster you'll start to see results. With consistency comes mastery. Over time, visualizing and manifesting will become second nature, and your life will begin to shift in powerful ways. Feeling is the secret to manifesting the life you desire. By visualizing your goals and attaching powerful emotions to them, you set the wheels in motion for your dreams to become reality. Practice this daily, have faith in the process, and watch as big changes unfold. If you found this video helpful, feel free to like and subscribe for more content on how to manifest your best life.